Hey everybody, welcome back to MarineMax Danvers. Today we're walking through a 2023 Aviara 40 that we have in stock. Start back here at the transom with the beautiful 600 Mercuries on there with the white cowling. Tons of horsepower, tons of torque. Great mobility out of those engines. As we move up here, you'll notice the two awesome terraces. All right, so it may look a little different. You say, why are there sea deck on the walls? Those terraces actually fold completely flat out, so you can get a huge beach experience, whether you're at the beach, the sandbar, or you're just hanging out at the dock. Awesome seating back here. Lounger style setup with the pop-up cocktail bar seats. These are up on a spring, so you can put them back flat if you want. And then you have all storage underneath here in the way of coolers, and your shore power is underneath the starboard side. In one of the compartments, we have this one flipped up. You have fender holders, so you can drop your fenders right in there. Everything's nice, neat, easy to access when you go to dock the boat. As we move forward into the cockpit of the boat, you'll notice this awesome, massive hardtop. All right, you have Klipsch audio throughout the boat, awesome sound speaker, and you have all million color RGB lighting. Down the side here is your kitchen prep area. You have dual fridges. Under this Corian countertop is a sink, a grill. You have a cocktail sink over here, and then another well here. Underneath, you have your fire extinguisher storage and your first of 2 trash cans. Nice and easy. You notice as we get up through the boat, there's really nowhere to kick anybody's knees. So you got tons of space. And then underneath me, you have a little bit of storage, but most importantly, that's your gyro stabilizer. The gyro stabilizer is going to eliminate 80 to 90% of that side-to-side roll. So when you're hanging out on your terraces, you don't have to deal with any of the waves. Up the side here, you have storage, and a cooler. And then at the end of this countertop here, you have a slide-out drawer for another cooler. Moving up to the helm, you have a jumbo Simrad screen paired by a Simrad vessel view. And then on the left here, you have a proprietary screen from Aviara that's going to do all your controls for the boat. You'll notice there's really no rocker switches up here. Everything is right there on the screen. So from the sunroof to the bimini to all your lighting and stereo is right on that left screen. You have joystick capabilities with the digital throttle and shift. You have storage under here as well as your VHF, Lenco trip tabs, and wireless chargers. 3 cup holders. More speakers up at the dash. As we go down into the cabin, you notice you have this big access door held open by a real strong magnet. Going down in, you have a rear bed accompanied by seating up front that can convert into a bed as well, and a stand-up head. We're going to run up to the bow. I'll show you the last portion of the boat. Look at the size of this, guys. I'm not the smallest kid. You got plenty of space to walk through here. Look at just how deep this bow is. It's over waist height at the bow here. You have tons of seating, storage underneath, huge access hatch to your windlass, and the beautiful cool touch vinyl throughout the boat, of course. Cup holders, USBs, more speakers, and a drain that goes right back to the bilge. And I want you to just look back at this real quick. Beautiful setup here with a huge hardtop. You really get to see how big that hardtop is. All right, guys, that's wrapping up this one. We'll see you soon. This one's over at 10 Hutchinson Drive, MarineMax in Danvers. If you have any questions about this, we'll probably be putting it in the water soon. A little cold out today, but we'll be on the water soon. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.